Hi, let's learn about REST parameters in JavaScript. Suppose you want to write a function that receives a variable number of parameters and sums them, so you can invoke it like so, or like so. What parameters would your function get? You could make it receive the maximum number of parameters you think anyone would want to send it, but you'll have to check for each parameter if it's undefined to know if it's the last one that got a value. Or a better option is to make the function receive an array. But that would mean whoever invoked your function must create an array from his variables or values before invoking it. That's where REST parameters come into play. With REST parameters, you can just add 3 dots before a parameter's name, which will make it an array. And all the parameters passed to the function will be passed as elements of that array. So if we'll do that and just return the nums parameter, and then invoke the function that we wanted to, this will be returned. Same values, but as an array. And likewise, if we'll call the function with these parameters, this will be returned. But what if you want your function to receive other parameters except for the REST parameters? You can do this, but the REST parameters must be the last parameters of the function. So this will work, and we'll invoke it like so. First var will get the value of 2, and nums will get an array with the values of 3 and 4. But if we try to receive another variable after the REST parameters, we'll get an error. You also cannot receive 2 REST parameters. JavaScript will not be able to determine when the first ends and the second starts, so you will get the same error. The REST parameters are useful in making your code cleaner. There aren't any specific best practices. Use it when it helps you. REST parameters were introduced to JavaScript in ECMAScript 2015, also known as ES6. So those are REST parameters. Reinforce and deepen what you've learned with the free REST parameters quiz I've created. Subscribe if you want more, and like if you like this video. Later.